Number 1. 1997 GMC 1500, price $10,000, single-owner truck with 127,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with a manual transmission and is powered by a reliable 4.3L V6 engine that runs smoothly. Finished in a striking GM Rapid blue exterior with a matching blue interior, this gasoline-powered truck stands out with its custom upgrades throughout. The vehicle requires no additional work, as everything has been recently updated or replaced. It features brand new components across the board, including Beltec shocks installed all around for improved ride quality. The truck sits on 20-inch replica torque thrust wheels paired with 245/40/20 tires, giving it an aggressive and modern stance. Inside, it boasts a custom red beard seat, adding a unique touch to the interior. Overall, this GMC 1500 offers a blend of classic styling and extensive customization, making it a turnkey truck ready to drive and enjoy without any immediate needs. Number 2. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,750. The truck has traveled approximately 178,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission, a gasoline engine, and a striking red exterior paired with a black interior. This truck has been freshly repainted and carefully kept in a garage, featuring a completely new interior that enhances its overall condition. It retains its original V6 engine, runs and drives well, and includes numerous new parts. Previously owned as a retirement project, the vehicle has been maintained with care, though plans to further upgrade the engine and transmission have changed. It is offered with a clean title, making it a solid and well-presented classic pickup ready for its next owner. Number 3. 1974 Ford F150, price $8,500, well-preserved classic pickup that has traveled 77,000 miles and remains in solid running condition. This truck features a 302 V8 engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission and a rear-wheel drive setup. It comes in a distinctive yellow exterior with a brown interior and runs on gasoline. The vehicle has been primarily used as a farm truck throughout its life, giving it a unique character and authentic vintage appeal. It includes several recent updates such as new shocks, a new battery, new brakes, and new spark plugs, ensuring dependable performance. The truck is equipped with BF Goodrich Co. 02 all-terrain tires, making it capable both on and off the road. It runs great overall, though it could benefit from a minor idle adjustment. The truck also comes with a clean title in hand, making it a ready-to-go option for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a classic American pickup. Number 4. 1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by a 5.3L V8 engine, which has been upgraded with a TSP Chupacabra cam kit, along with improved springs, lifters, and pushrods to enhance overall performance and engine responsiveness. The truck also features a full exhaust system and 4.10 gearing, providing a more aggressive driving experience with solid acceleration and power delivery. In terms of condition, the body is reported to be completely rust-free, which is a major plus for a vehicle of its age. While there are some minor dings present, they are purely cosmetic and do not affect the truck's functionality. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 runs and drives great, making it a reliable and well-built option for anyone looking for a classic truck with both performance upgrades and everyday usability. Number 5. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,900, with 161,000 miles on the odometer. This long bed pickup is powered by a 5.0L engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering a smooth and dependable driving experience. It features a classic brown exterior matched with a brown interior, giving the truck a consistent and timeless look. The vehicle runs and drives great, showing solid performance both in town and on the road. For its age, it has been kept very clean, with only minimal surface rust present, which is typical for a truck of this era. It has been fully inspected and is reported to be in ready-to-use condition. In addition, the truck comes with temporary tags and a clean title, making the ownership process simple and straightforward. Overall, this pickup stands as a reliable and practical option for anyone seeking a classic Chevrolet truck that is ready to go. Number 6. 1995 GMC 1500, price $6,900. This particular truck has traveled 134,000 original miles and is powered by a reliable V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a capable 4WD system, making it both practical and enjoyable to drive. Finished in a burgundy exterior with a gray cloth interior, the truck maintains a clean and classic appearance. It features simple, old-school crank windows, adding to its vintage charm and ease of maintenance. Having had only 2 previous owners and carrying a clean title, it reflects careful ownership over the years. Overall, this is a solid running GMC truck that combines classic styling with dependable performance and increasingly rare find in such clean condition with relatively low mileage. Number 7. 1972 Ford F100, price $10,000. It comes equipped with its original 302 small block V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and has covered 107,000 original miles. The truck features a green exterior matched with a green interior and runs on gasoline, offering a consistent and reliable driving experience. Significant updates have been completed to enhance both comfort and performance, including new carpet with Killmat sound deadening, a new seat, windshield, distributor, and a fully refreshed braking system with new brakes and hoses. Additional improvements include new tires, a new gas tank with sending unit, fuel pump and hoses, as well as a new radiator. All lights and gauges are fully functional, including brake lights, side markers, turn signals, and headlights. The vehicle also comes with a clean title in hand, making it ready for its next owner. Number 8. 1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, with just 89,000 miles on the odometer. This truck comes equipped with an automatic transmission, a gold exterior paired with a brown interior, and runs on gasoline. It is powered by a reliable 305 V8 engine and features a 2WD setup with a limited slip differential in the rear. Previously owned by an older gentleman, the truck was mainly driven occasionally to his cabin, reflecting light and careful use over the years. It remains in impressive condition with no rust on the frame or body, aside from a small spot on the hood where it meets the grille. The rockers and cab corners are clean, and the interior has been well maintained. This is a true turnkey vehicle ready to start, drive, and enjoy immediately. It also recently received a new battery, and the air conditioning system blows cool, adding to overall comfort. Number 9. 1985 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,400, presented as a classic V8 powered pickup that runs and drives, offering a solid foundation for enthusiasts or collectors. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, delivering the traditional performance expected from a vintage American truck. The vehicle has accumulated approximately 100,000 miles and features a clean and eye-catching combination of a white exterior with a red interior, enhancing its classic appeal. This truck comes with a clean title in hand and is positioned as a project vehicle, making it an excellent candidate for a short bed conversion or further customization. While it remains operational, it does show some age-related wear, including minor rust on the cab, which is fairly typical for a truck of this era. Number 10. 1991 Nissan Pickup, price $3,700. This truck has had only one owner since new, with no accident history and no signs of rust, reflecting careful ownership over the years. It has accumulated approximately 200,000 miles and is finished in a red exterior complemented by a clean gray interior. The vehicle runs on gasoline and is paired with a reliable 5-speed manual transmission, offering a more engaging driving experience. Overall, the pickup remains in top-notch condition for its year, making it a solid choice for enthusiasts or anyone seeking a dependable classic compact truck. It comes with 2 original keys, adding to its completeness. The air conditioning system is fully intact, however, it currently does not blow cold air.